So it was time for me to clean my shower again, and I chose to use this cleaning paste called the Pink Stuff. I've seen it all over social media, so I thought about giving it a try. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So I purposely left my shower a mess. Yes, I said it, a mess. So that I could use this Pink Stuff to see the effectiveness on how well it's going to at least clean away the hard water stains. I know it won't take away everything, but for the most part, if it can get things clean where it can at least take away the hard water stains and some of the mildew that accumulates in the shower, I am a happy camper. Now I'll tell you guys, I have said this before in some of my other videos, cleaning the bathroom, particularly the shower and the toilet, is not my favorite thing to do. And so this is the result right here. So here we go. So leave me a comment down below letting me know, do you enjoy cleaning your bathroom? And how many times do you clean your bathroom? So the pink paste, or the Pink Stuff paste here, it had like a fruity like smell to it, and you see it has consistency, is a little watery, and it could be that mine's is watery because of how hot it has been. But anyway, this is what I'm working with. So I decided to clean off the mat here first just to see how things were working, and I chose to just do one side first to do a comparison to see how things was working with this paste. Now it's time for me to clean around the faucet part of the shower. Now let's get to cleaning these shower walls. All in all, I think that the Pink Stuff did a fantastic job. It was easy to use, it's readily available, it's affordable, it's just a fantastic product. I would recommend it for anyone who is looking for an easy solution for cleaning things around a house, because this product does clean multiple things. Now, you may want to test some areas before cleaning, but for the most part, it does clean a multitude of surfaces. So I would recommend it. So if you haven't tried the Pink Stuff, then try it. You see what it does. You see what it did. It was a fantastic product. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to subscribe if you like this type of content, and leave me a comment, and also give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.